Let's draw a similar set of lines as before next to our previous line. And we can press the spacebar or escape key on our keyboard. Now let's select the line. We should notice that now we have selected the whole line we drew. So now we can see that a polyline, as the name would suggest, consists of multiple lines. In actual fact, the polyline can consist of multiple lines and arcs. This is a powerful tool as we can use it to achieve several things, including drawing lines with different angles and curves as one consistent line, for example a curved line, and we can quickly calculate lengths and areas by looking at the properties.
Ready to learn? Enroll into our AutoCAD course for site engineers.